Friedrich Nietzsche, October 15, 1844, August 25, 1900, was a German philosopher, philologist, and cultural critic who had a profound influence on Western philosophy. Nietzsche's works encompass a wide range of subjects including art, history, philology, religion, tragedy, culture, and science, characterized by a highly metaphorical writing style and frequent use of paradox. During his lifetime, Nietzsche was not highly regarded by his contemporaries, but his ideas gained widespread recognition in the 1960s and have since significantly impacted 20th and early 21st century philosophers, especially in fields of continental philosophy such as existentialism, postmodernism, and post-structuralism. Below are 5 of his super classic sayings. 1. The man of knowledge must be able not only to love his enemies, but also to hate his friends. The pursuit of knowledge and wisdom demands a complex emotional balance, a theme encapsulated in the statement, the man of knowledge must be able not only to love his enemies, but also to hate his friends, often attributed to Friedrich Nietzsche. This idea suggests that true wisdom involves navigating relationships with a nuanced understanding of love and hate, transcending simple emotional binaries. A man of knowledge seeks understanding, wisdom, and insight, valuing truth above all else. This quest requires a broad emotional spectrum, as the path to knowledge involves complex human interactions and moral dilemmas. Loving one's enemies implies a profound capacity for empathy, understanding, and forgiveness. It requires seeing beyond personal grievances and recognizing the broader context of human behavior. This ability reflects maturity and high emotional intelligence, suggesting that a knowledgeable person can rise above personal vendettas and acknowledge the inherent worth in every individual, even those who oppose or harm them. This love is not about condoning harmful actions, but about understanding and compassion that transcend personal bias. Conversely, hating one's friends can be interpreted as the ability to be critical of those close to you when they deserve it. It implies the strength to see and acknowledge faults or wrongdoings in friends rather than being blindly loyal. This perspective demands a commitment to truth and justice that outweighs personal loyalty. A man of knowledge must not shy away from confronting those he cares about, when necessary, highlighting the importance of integrity and honesty in relationships. The duality expressed in this statement emphasizes that true wisdom involves complex emotional responses. A person committed to the pursuit of knowledge must be prepared to love and understand even those seen as adversaries, recognizing the potential for growth and redemption in everyone. Simultaneously, one's darker impulses. Furthermore, the metaphor underscores the complexity of human nature. It posits that to rise and achieve great heights, one must have a profound connection with the depths of their being. This connection is not inherently negative, but necessary. For balanced growth, the dark and deep aspects are integral to the foundation of one's character and capabilities. The reference to evil implies that grappling with one's darker nature involves confronting morally ambiguous or negative aspects of oneself, an essential part of the human condition for true personal growth. The statement also suggests the need for balance between light and darkness in personal growth. Just as a tree cannot grow without both its roots and branches, a person cannot achieve true greatness without acknowledging and integrating all parts of their nature. This balance is crucial for stability and resilience. 5. Perhaps I know best why it is man alone who laughs. He alone suffers so deeply that he had to invent laughter. Friedrich Nietzsche's statement, "Perhaps I know best why it is man alone who laughs, he alone suffers so deeply that he had to invent laughter," explores the unique relationship between human suffering and laughter. Nietzsche suggests that laughter is a distinctive human trait born out of profound suffering. This perspective highlights that while other beings may experience discomfort or distress, the depth of human suffering is exceptional, leading to the development of laughter as a coping mechanism. The statement underscores that laughter serves as a psychological tool for managing the burdens of existence. It is not merely a response to joy or amusement, but also a way to mitigate and transcend the pain and existential challenges that humans face. By inventing laughter, humans have created a means to find moments of levity and relief amidst their suffering, illustrating how humor functions as a resilient strategy against life's difficulties. Nietzsche's view also reflects the intricate relationship between suffering and humor. Laughter, while often associated with happiness, can also arise from confronting and making sense of darker aspects of human experience. This dual nature of laughter demonstrates the complex ways in which humans navigate and interpret their suffering, revealing a deep connection between emotional distress and the capacity for humor. Moreover, the statement points to the depth of human self-awareness and consciousness. The ability to laugh despite profound suffering signifies a high level of self-reflection and existential awareness. It showcases how humans use their cognitive and emotional faculties to cope with and understand their experiences. In summary, Nietzsche's insight into laughter and suffering reveals that laughter is a unique human invention crafted in response to the profound depths of human pain. This connection highlights the role of humor as a coping mechanism and reflects the complex interplay between suffering and the human ability to find relief and meaning through laughter.